Fixed mortgage rates are pushing higher as bond yields hit a one-month high. Toronto affordability improved for a record 10th straight quarter, but not because rates got any cheaper. And homes in one Etobicoke neighborhood sold in an average of 10 days last month, with Humber Bay right behind it. Here's your Mortgage Minute for August 21st. First, fixed mortgage rates are heading higher this week. Canada's 5-year bond yield climbed to 3.357%, a one-month high. And that's what fixed rates are priced off of. It's tied to a broader global bond sell-off and Canadian inflation ticking up to 3% in July on higher gas prices. Variable rates haven't really moved since last October. The Bank of Canada is still on hold at 2.25%, with prime rates still at 4.45%. If you are renewing or shopping a fixed rate, expect the number to be higher than it was a month ago, not lower. Second, in Toronto, the average household is now spending 68.3% of its income on mortgage payments, which is down again for a 10th straight quarter. But here's the shift. For most of that recovery, falling rates were doing the work. This time, rates actually ticked up slightly. The improvement came entirely from a 3.6% quarterly drop in home prices. So affordability is getting better, but it's price-driven, not rate-driven. And third, new neighborhood data shows how uneven the GTA market really is. Homes in Alderwood, in Etobicoke, sold in an average of 10 days in July. Homes in Chaplin Estates, which is Midtown, took 77 days. Humber Bay, right here, tied for 5th fastest GTA-wide at 17 days. So same city, but completely different markets depending on where you're looking. So, variable rate holders, nothing's really changed for you again this week. Fixed rate holders and renewers, remember, this is a market where price is doing more of the work than rate right now, worth keeping in mind when you're timing a purchase. And if you're buying into a fast-moving neighborhood like Alderwood or Humber Bay, get your financing sorted out before you start touring, not after. If you have questions about how any of this impacts you or your plans, feel free to contact me. 249-480-1249 by phone or text. Visit the website at HumberBayMortgages.ca or just send me a DM. Have an excellent weekend.